In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view advanced stock and crypto charts in Robinhood on your PC. If you've been investing or trading with Robinhood, you might know that having a clear picture of a security's price movement can make a world of difference. The platform offers some helpful advanced charting tools, and today I'll guide you through accessing and using them so you can gain more insight before making your next move. Let's get started. First, open up Robinhood in your web browser on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the stock or crypto you're interested in. You can do this easily by either searching for the security at the top of the page or clicking it directly from your watch list or your portfolio if you've already added it there. After selecting the stock or crypto, you'll arrive at its main details page. Here, you will notice a basic chart by default. To access more detailed information, look for the advanced option. This is generally displayed near the standard chart area. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the advanced charting interface where you can take a closer look at additional data and customize how you view the price action. Within the advanced chart view, take a look to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a row of icons, and among these, you'll find a wavelength-shaped icon situated next to the gear icon. Click on this wavelength icon. It unlocks options that let you modify the chart's appearance and display method. Now comes the crucial part, deciding how you want your chart displayed. For the best detail, I recommend choosing the candlestick option. This format provides a lot of information in a single view, such as price movement, opening and closing values, and the highs and lows during a period. Of course, if you prefer a simpler visual, you can click Line to see a straightforward line chart, which gives you a clear sense of the trend without as much granular detail. Beyond just the chart style, you have even more tools at your disposal. Take a look for the indicators option. Here, you can add various technical analysis tools to your chart, which can help you make more informed decisions. For example, you can select volume to see how actively the security is being traded. MA stands for moving average, which helps you understand average prices over time. EMA is the exponential moving average, which puts more weight on recent prices. RSI stands for relative strength index, which can indicate if a stock is overbought or oversold. And MACD stands for moving average convergence divergence, which can help you spot potential trend reversals. Experiment with these indicators to see which ones work best for your strategy. And remember, you can always remove or add them as needed. That's it. Now you know how to open, customize, and use advanced stock or crypto charts on Robinhood's PC platform. With these tools, you'll be better equipped to analyze trends and make more confident investing decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.